Hi, I'm Emma Jacobs, and this is where I'm going to start my Google Doc for Challenge 4. So whenever you want to create a Google Doc, you can either choose a template or you can go to blank, and then for this instance, I chose blank. But I've already created this doc, so I'm just going to open it. For this Google Doc, I named it Challenge 4 Google Docs. I inserted my name, the title of it, and the date. And for this assignment, I had to talk about what theme I chose and to be able to collaborate with someone else on it. So for my theme for this class, I am doing early America, U.S. history, more so colonization and settlements. I chose this because all my life I've been very interested in U.S. history and history in general, and I understood the importance of teaching history to young minds. And since history is such a broad topic, I wanted to narrow it down to the beginning of America, more so the founders of colonial settlements and early colonial resistance to British rule, which also meets the fifth grade teaching standards for Indiana, which is 5.1.8. And I believe that these events changed the world for the better. They have taught us about racism, genocide, which really goes to more of the World War II side, but in general, other socioeconomic problems. And learning and teaching social studies helps future generations know what had happened and what is right and what is wrong. And the consequences and achievements throughout history had helped develop our country to be strong and independent. So overall, I'm very excited about this theme and learning about technology in this class that could help me become a better teacher by using these tools that are provided for me. So over here, you can see that I had collaborated with Julia Verga, which is one of my really close friends, and she added some suggestions. She said in her first one that this reads a little forced. She thought that maybe I could say something along the lines of like history is such a broad topic, so I narrowed it down and I will be teaching whatnot. And then her second one is history should be singular. So I'm going to go ahead and make these changes. She highlighted the points that needed changed. So since history is such a broad topic, I will be narrowing it down to a few bits and pieces. I'm gonna erase that to a few bits and pieces from U.S. history. Now I need to change this into singular history, like the founders of colonial settlements and early colonial resistance to British rule. Even though that it's telling me to change it, I'm not going to. It doesn't make sense. But it truly did help my topic become better. It really helped my understanding. So overall, I can get rid of her comments, which overall makes this document even better.